This is my unsophisticated sharpening station. I use the water stones. I just keep them in water. I will probably start either 400 or 1000 and then finish on 8000 stone. For the water stones, it's important to keep them flat. I got this flattening stone that came with the kit, with the stones themselves. So I kind of use it. I think it keeps them reasonably flat. Maybe not perfectly flat, but at least works for me. And I do it freehand, so I'm kind of messing up the angles. For as long as I'm wearing dirty pants so I can clean up the blade, that's perfect. For the freshly grind plane, it's actually very easy to feel the angle and then just put it a little bit up. This has been sharpened multiple times, so I'm just basically guessing whatever angle I think it should be. And what I'm doing, I'm trying to feel the burr on the other side. So right now I don't feel anything, which means I didn't even get close to the edge. And so this time I'll try to a little bit higher. Okay, when I corrected the angle, now I actually feel the burr quite well on this side, but not on this side. So I need to focus there a little bit more. Just put basically more pressure on that side. So now it's a very heavy burr everywhere, and I'm done with the 1000. The next stage, this step that I'm gonna do is wrong. People don't do this, but I found that's the only way I can do it. So basically I have to remove this burr so I can feel it afterwards, and just a little bit, just tiny bit removal of this burr. Now it's still here a little bit. Okay, no burr, maybe on the other side. Yeah, on the other side. And now fix this one and try to figure out the angle again and polish the same way. Okay, hopefully not too high angle. So what I'm doing, I'm putting my pressure on the back stroke. If it was a diamond plate, I would put the pressure in back and forth, but on this one, only on the back. Otherwise it will dig into the water stone. Okay, now I feel heavy burr everywhere. So I guess I was correct with angle. And this is, again, now it's the appropriate time to use this so-called ruler trick, even though this is a hacksaw blade, which probably not the greatest for the ruler trick, but just Google what ruler trick is. And that's what I'm doing. This is done. So the final stage is stropping. A stropping is just very simple. It's a piece of leather attached to something or not attached to anything. I put it on plywood that's reasonably flat and the green compound, and that's basically it. But then you just put kind of a lot of pressure for the stropping and do about 20 strokes. Okay, 30. But now this side is really shiny. This side I need to basically remove stuff. And just in case, do 10 this time. And test cut. Wax the sole, guess the grain direction, and almost go into the town. Actually, I can do it heavier cut like this.